welcome to the channel. If you're new, go ahead and click the subscribe button and become a part of the family here on this channel. Also follow me on social media so you guys can keep up with me. So it'll be linked somewhere here so you guys can follow me on TikTok and Instagram. I am going to go get food with my friend Leah. I have not seen her in so long, so I wanted to bring you guys with me so you guys can kind of get the feel, because they do a lot of belly dancing and they have amazing Lebanese food. I've never tried Lebanese food, so it'll be my first time. I'm excited, so I want to bring you guys, so let's go.
You got it, of course.
Wait, so I'm gonna put this in here. Why do I feel like you're lying? Do you want to say hi? Right after I told you I'm lying now. Say hi. Oh my goodness. Oh, you look nice. You look cute. Shoes popping. I like your shoes. I mean, your hair looks cute though. Is this against the lane? You can leave it for another month. Your hair looks nice. I want to sit here too so I can see the water. Right here.
I had the boat and everything.
So beautiful. The water's
Look, exactly what I wanted, the natural look.
Little Mermaid.
Little Mermaid.
You see Little Mermaid? We'll go see it together.
I mean, I think I look skinny. Like real skinny.
I don't know. Let me tell you.
You think or you are?
I've been in the gym.
Make it
Let me
happen.
see
That's
video.
it. So talk it into existence.
What is it?
It's a video.
Femme poser comme ça. Femme poser comme ça. Photo de faire. Every gift you give me.
I know it has like.
One more. You never send me my pictures. You know that, right?
I'm sending it to you.
Never
Send it
did.
to you. This looks good though. It's a mocktail. No alcohol. I'm trying to stay with alcohol. I'm not having any alcohol. I haven't had alcohol in a long time.
That's very good. Are you still keeping up on that the medications?
What medication?
But when do you folic acid
Yeah.
Trust my life.
Send me that video.
The fries look really good though.
These?
Which one is the good one? Are they both good?
I think they're both good, mommy. Thank you.
You're welcome. Thank you, sir.
Did you ask yours?
Okay, got it. If you're not subscribed, be sure to subscribe and comment down below. I do respond to all of your comments, as you guys see. So if you guys want to leave me a comment down below, I really appreciate it, and it does help out my channel. This is the pre-workout that he wants me to take. We're going to see Beyond Raw Lit as F, Advanced Formula, Lemon Ice. That's a huge scoop, Junior.
No, a little bit more organic, but it's similar. It has 300 milligrams of caffeine. You gonna take this?
Yeah.
It's the whole scoop.
Oh, I miss Louis.
Well, you know, well, no, because you already have it on that.
But
Cause I'm like, you can still use the tripod system, but you already have the short-handed one.
yeah.
So it don't really matter. Yeah.
Bad and bullshit, bad. Cooking up dope with a Uzi. My niggas are savage, ruthless. We got 30s and 100 rounds too. My bitch is bad and bullshit, bad. Cooking up dope with a Uzi. My niggas are savage, ruthless. We got 30s and 100 rounds too. All set. Woo, 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 woo. Pull up, pull up, I pull up, pull up, pull up, I pull up, I pull up. Records on records, got backers on backers, I'm riding around in a coupe. Pull up, pull up, I pull up, pull up, pull up, I pull up, I pull up. Records on records, got backers on backers, I'm riding around in a coupe. Pull up, pull up, I pull up, pull up, pull up, I pull up, I pull up. Records on records, got backers on backers, I'm riding around in a coupe. Pull up, pull up, I pull up, pull up, pull up, I pull up, I pull up. Records on records, got backers on backers, I'm riding around in a coupe. Bad and bullshit, bad, bad and bullshit, bad and bullshit.
Follow me, I like to get it poppin', but these bitches in my business cut me off to choosing violence. If you see me out in public, you don't know me, keep it silent. In the bedroom, I be screaming, but outside I keep it quiet. You know, I'm the lowest of the lowest. Hopefully you can keep it like nobody knows it. Oh, stay out the way. I need you to get the fuck out my space. Replacements on the way, please don't play. Pussy spin like a great escape. I need a new trick, gold eyes on chains. I'm fucking, I ain't making love no more. Got a new bitch, what the fuck you crying for? I'm moving service, calling on my favorite hoe. How to reach me every time that it pays in my words of the night, committed crime. Way over long, there's no schedule spot. Can't be outside cause I'm not getting too bad. Am I on your mind? Wherever you are, don't call me.
Hey guys, it is currently the next day. I am heading to brunch. I think it's brunch. Like, I think they're serving brunch now, but whatever. I'm gonna go to brunch with my friend Shar. You guys like slightly seen her on my channel here and there, but she's gonna come pick me up because I had car trouble last night. It's a whole long story. Yes, the Jeep is under construction right now. She's gonna come pick me up. It was supposed to be me, her, and my best friend Bianca, which you guys do know, but Bianca overslept, and I tried calling Bianca. Bianca's not answering her phone, so I guess Bianca's not coming. Shar's gonna come pick me up. I'm gonna show you guys what I'm wearing for tonight or today. It's not too fancy, it's just simple. RH is it's called Restoration Hardware at a rooftop spot where you can get drinks and you can get lunch. It's beautiful. When I tell you it's beautiful, the view, it's so beautiful. It's in West Palm Beach. It's a bougie little place, but it's beautiful. The views, everything is so beautiful. So I'll show you guys when I get there. But I'm gonna show you guys my outfit. My Givenchy bag, and then I'm gonna be wearing my Lulu's, which are the Yopios, which you guys already know. I wear these all the time. So this is the look. I'm gonna put my shoes on. Hopefully y'all can see me. I'm gonna let you guys know I'm glistening right now, but I'm gonna let y'all know the fragrance that I am like loving right now. If you wanna smell like chocolate rich, I'm gonna give y'all a scent, a fragrance combo that is going to help you smell like a beautiful bronze rich goddess. So this is the combination, y'all. This is a like Arabic perfume, but it smells like straight up chocolate and vanilla. It's called Cocoa Musk. It's on my Amazon storefront, so I'll link it down below. And then you guys, everybody's been talking about this, but I'm wearing the Sol de Janeiro 62, and this combo together, after you put, because you guys know I have like a little bit of baby oil with a little bit of shimmer that I added in my baby oil, put your favorite oil on and put these two on. Chef's kiss. Chef's kiss. Oh, like your man because I wore them on my man. He could not stay off me. If you want to smell like that girl, like the it girl, you have to get this combo, and it'll be linked down below. So let's head over to brunch.
A tornado flew around my room before you came. Excuse the mess it made. It usually doesn't rain in Southern California, much like Arizona. My eyes don't shed tears, but boy they pour when I'm thinking about you. Oh no no no, I've been thinking about you. You no no no, I've been thinking about you. Do you think about me still? Do you? Or do you not think so far ahead? 'Cause I've been thinking about forever.
That looks great. Can we have some ketchup? Are you
I tried. You look cute. Y'all, I am just getting home. I just wanted to end the vlog. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe so that you guys can get more vlogs. Also, make sure that you're following me on social media as well. Click the like button so that, the bell button so that I can keep posted with my shenanigans. But I love you guys. I will see you guys in a new video.